poms.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this crescent moon cushion. To create the crescent moon shape, what I've done is I've taken my fabric and folded it in half and then drawn a half of the moon onto there. So when I cut it out and open it up, it will be an even moon shape. So now what I'm going to do is draw on the eyes and the mouth where I'd like to place them. So I think that there for the eye, and maybe there for the mouth, and we'll add some eyelashes too. And then I'm going to use embroidery thread in this khaki green colour, and I'm just going to backstitch along the lines I've just made. I'm going to start gluing the trimming about 1/4 of an inch away from the edge of the moon. So I'm just really slowly going to attach that pom-pom trim with my sewing machine to the moon. Okay, so once that is sewn in place, we will then attach the back piece. So using clips or pins to make sure all the edges are lined up.
We are music makers, and we are dreamers of
and you're going to use your stitch line as a guide to attach the back. So just follow that stitch all the way around. Make sure you leave a gap to stuff the cushion. So close the inside of your moon. We can turn our cushion the right way out. I'm just going to snip the edges of the points just so I know they're going to be pointy. Be careful not to cut over your stitches though. So I have just pressed the moon just so I'm happy with the edges, and then all that's left to do is stuff it with toy filler. Now you can just buy this kind of stuff off Amazon, really cheap.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Once you're happy with how stuffed it is, you can sew up the opening, and I'd probably do that by hand. So now that's all sewn closed, I'm going to just put some nice little silk flowers onto the hair, and then we're done. I'm just going to use the same gutterman glue for that. There's your really cute little moon cushion.